Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to take a screenshot on Mac in 2025. So, to take a screenshot on Mac in 2025, follow these updated methods. The number one method is full screen screenshot. Press Command plus Shift plus 3 on your keyboard and the screenshot will be saved to your desktop or your chosen location. It is that simple. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of a selected area, press Command plus Shift plus 4. Then use your mouse and drag to select the area that you want to take a screenshot of, and that specific area will be screenshotted on your Mac. Now, another way to do this is window screenshot. Press Command plus Shift plus 4, then press a spacebar and click on the window that you want to take the screenshot of. So, by following these steps, you can easily take a screenshot on Mac in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.